Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Learning Point. Today I'm going to discuss about date formulas in Excel. So how to use these formulas and what is the use of it, we will see now. So this is what date functions we have in Excel. First one now and today, month, date, year, hours, minutes, seconds, date, time, week, number. So apart from this, there is several formulas in date. Majorly we'll be using in the Excel these formulas. So I have used it already, these functions. Let me delete and re-show it to you. So what is the use of these functions? I'm deleting all those things. Sample also I have deleted, right? I have deleted everything. Now we will see what is the use of now functions. The now functions, using these now functions, we can see the what is the time now and date, everything. So now let me use this now function. Now after that, just open the parenthesis and close the parenthesis, hit enter. We can see what is the time now. The time also the similar way it is showing here, the date, time and everything. You can look out over here, the time, date and everything. When I'm double click something here, if I'm changing here, automatically here time will get updated. Now we will see how to use this date function. Today date function, what it will do, it will give the exactly today date. It won't give the any times. If you see the now formula, we can see like time, date and everything. But here if it comes to the today date, it will show the only today date. Let me use the today date. The same with way, open the parenthesis and close the parenthesis. After equal today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now we can see the date. Here time it's getting changed. So whenever you're doing some changes, automatically the now date it will change the timings over here, timings and dates. If you something like if you're doing some changes in this Excel sheet tomorrow, it will update the year. If you are not doing any changes, it will show the remaining same. So now we will see month functions. So in the month functions, what we will use it and see how to get the month number. Now it is February, right? To print this February year, we will use month function, month, and select this formula anywhere you can. Today also you can give either in the top also you can see the now formula also. If we use this one also, we will get the same. Let me close it, enter it. We can see the second month. And if you want to see the day, today is 18th, right? For that we do have called the day function. Using day functions, we can see the day number. Here it is again, I'm using the same formula only. Here it is top here what I have executed. So let me take this one only and selecting that and I'm hitting enter. We can see the day number. If I'll change the something here, let me show it one way. I'm typing something like 25 June 2023. If I'll select in the day, I'm removing this day, the previous one which I have selected. I'm selecting this now. Now you will see, we can see the day number, say 25th day, and the year also similar. For to get the year in this, all the overall it is date day from the date. To get the year only, we do have options called year. Use the year function and select the serial number. I'm selecting this one only. Let me select this one only, 25th. I'm hitting enter. I'll change the year automatically. There also it will get updated. Currently I'm putting now year 2021. Sorry. Now we can see the same thing. And again now we will see how to get the hours. Now we do have hours, right? For that hours here it is there, right? To get the only hours, we do have a functions called hour functions. Using these functions we can get the hours. So if you want to see the hour, here we have, now it is 13, right? Like 13 means 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. So let me select this one only and hit enter. We can see 13. So like this we can see this formula, we can use it whenever you want to extracting the days, months, times, hours. These functions are all very useful. Now we will see how to extract the minutes only. So the minutes over here it is there, right? 49 minutes. For that extracting, we do have a minutes formula. Use minute and select the top one. But whenever you're choosing, there must and should be have the minutes. So that whenever see, I told you it is getting changing as per the minutes only it is showing over here. Now for seconds also we can see second, but here it is not there, but still it will reflect here. You don't need to worry about. Let me show it to you. Select that column and close the bracket and now 35 seconds. And if you want to select the like year, the format is year and month, day is there. So if you want to combining this like a date format, we do have a date function. Date, it will ask in the first year. You just give the year name, sorry, then month name, comma, and day name, sorry, date, day, that whatever the 20th is there and that day. So now we can see the year. If I'm keep on changing here, it will keep on update over it. It is like dynamically it will update over there. I am giving year 25 and here I am changing to the first, hitting enter. As you can see, automatically it is getting updated over here. Now we will see the time. So if I have a time like these hours, minutes separately in the columns, so when you want to print like in the only time format, we do have a time function. Use equal time and select the hour, and again what it is asking minutes, and again it is asking second. So hit enter. Now we can see time over here. When I'm updating the year 1 o'clock, it is giving. If I give to the 9 o'clock, it will change to the AM. If I'll give to the 18, it will go to the PM. And the week number, the current year on which week we are standing. If you want to see that one, we do have a week number. So for that, use a week number equal to week number. These functions will help you to the where we are standing at the week number. It will print the over the numbers only like digits only. It will get the prints over here. Now I'm selecting these. So in the February, like from Jan to now, how many weeks is got over and which week we are standing. So this will show you now. So now I'm selecting this date and hitting. I'll just hit enter. So now we are standing at the seventh week. The week number it is seventh. If you want means you can just calculate as on data. You can even though you can see here and you can calculate the week numbers. It will show the correct figures. And there is some formats like here in the date